Okay, so here 2003, that one it's difficult to do practical because it's not practical difficult. It is like you need a 2003 server. I currently you don't have it, and I can't teach you that how to install and all now. Okay, so if you are interested, then any free time you can ask me. I will share the image and you can do it if you want. But currently, in our hand we have a Windows 10. Okay, so better not to do in your physical machine, and don't do it in Windows 10, which is main thing is in Windows 10 what it is. What we can say, like it's in a domain. So I have a domain Windows 7 also there, right? So Windows 10, this is a domain. This Windows 10 is in domain, so I'm not using this PC. I'm not using this PC. I'm using separate Windows 10 to show you this one. So if you want to do this practical, better install one Windows 10 separately with all connection. Like watch Windows 10 how I install a Windows 10. Put some name, so different name. Okay, so like a Windows 10 or a Windows W10 something. Okay, I put some name here. I install some application. So let next practicals we do in this PC only. So what I'm saying it is better install a new Windows 10 for this practical, because if machine is in domain, so every time you have to give admin pass admin kind of stuff. Okay, so I want to show you in this one. So I didn't remember last time what I used, but we'll see this one. I have a drives. Okay, so there is some drives also there. Already backup is done here. No problem. We'll do next backup. So these are the files also there. DA1 is also there here. Okay. Archive attribute DA1. Okay, leave like that. So we'll see um, in a backup thing. Okay. So first of all, um, I'll show you different backup kind of stuff. So first of all, go to control panel, type control, then it will open the control panel. This is backup and restore in a Windows 7. Okay, there is a Windows 10 backup is not there, so it shows still Windows 7 type of backup only. So I'm going to backup and restore. Okay, already backup is practical done in this PC, so it is showing like this. Here you can see create a system image, create a system repair disk, and select another backup to restore file from, restore all files, change settings like that. Normally it shows backup now kind of stuff only here. Okay, like this. The next one is file history. So you have to know 1, 2, 3, fourth one is backup. So I'm going from starting. What is this system repair disk? Just if you click it, okay, so you can read this one. What is system repair disk? A system repair disk can be used to boot your computer. It also contains Windows recovery tools that can help you recover Windows from the serious error or restore your computer from system image. I will tell what is system image. What is this system repair disk? When you buy a laptop or a desktop, it comes with an operating system. So Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10. Okay. So they didn't give you a DVD which is belongs to that operating system, because it's already operating system is there. You don't have a DVD for that one. Now you want to go to repair options and you want to repair it. You want to repair options in the repair place. So you don't have a DVD of operating system, you can't go. Okay, so how to go? Very simple. You have a CD-ROM. CD-ROM is required here. Okay, so pen drives are not useful. So you read a CD-ROM. Okay, either it is internal or external CD-ROM is required. Buy a CD. Just a CD is enough. DVD is not required, CD. So buy a good quality CD. Okay, like Moss Bear something. Now how much it is available in market also I don't know, but try for a CD. One CD is enough. It's a very small size because 100 to 100 MB it will take. That's it. Insert a CD in CD-ROM. Go to this option. Go to this option. Okay. Go to backup, backup and restore option in a control panel. Go to create a system repair disk and select your drive and create a disk. That's it. And automatically bootable files, your system bootable files, operating system minimum files and recovery tools is going to be go to your CD. Next time, anytime, next time in case your system have got any problem and you want to go to repair options, you can insert it and you can go to repair options. In generally in Windows 10 automatically it will go to repair options by default. Any new PC with Windows 10, if anything issue is there in Windows 10 operating system wise, like a startup repair or anything, automatically it will go to repair options. If in case it is not going, then this CD is very useful. If you are using Windows 7 or Windows 8, better to create this one. Okay, what is a repair disk? It will give you a repair option. Okay, you can go to repair option in a Windows 10 at the boot time, so you have to boot with it. That is a repair disk. So we cannot create now. Why? Because it's a virtual hard disk. Virtual disk is there. We can't do it. Next, image. What is a create system image? Okay, this is also same thing as a restoration part only. Like in your system you have a C drive. Main important one is a C drive. C drive contains operating system. Listen careful. You have a C drive. C drive contains operating system. User profile data is there, right? You have a user data, user profile data, and other users information also available, right? Applications, settings, everything is there in your system. So your system having operating system, user data, and settings, applications there in your PC. Okay, so that is your system. That is your system. Now, if in case your system is damaged, your hard disk is corrupted. Okay, you can't install operating system because operating system need a DVD. Second one is even though you are install operating system, you insert a new hard disk or you repair your hard disk, old hard disk. Even though if you have a operating system, again you need a drivers, application settings, user profile data. Okay, user profile data and data. These things you can't get it back, right? So until unless you taken a backup. And if you taken a backup also, the backup is cannot be restored properly. So to repair your system like as it is as a earlier, you want a PC as it is as the earlier, so you must have a image backup. So this is a image backup. A system image is a copy of drives required for a Windows to run. It means your mainly C drive and other small drives also there, no, that one, like a system drive, restore drive, like drives. It also include additional drives. Okay, we can include D drive, E drive also if you want. A system image can be used to restore your computer if your hard drive or a computer ever stop working. Your drive is not corrupted or maybe drive is not working. Okay, so in that cases, if you already have a system image backup, you can restore it. You cannot choose individual items to restore. You can't choose one file, two file like that. You can't choose it. Entire system we can able to restore it. Okay, that is very useful. So where we can put it? You can put it in a hard disk or external hard disk. Okay, DVDs you can store, and network locations means if you have a network storage like a NAS kind of servers are there, so they you can put it in a NAS also. Okay, so this is a system image. What is system image? System is damaged, a disk is damaged, no problem, we can restore it from the system image, but you have to take the image backup earlier. If in case you have a new fresh PC, or maybe fully configured PC is there. Don't have much data, but fully configured PC is there, applications and everything, like a office laptop kind of stuff. Connect a external hard disk, take a backup. Buy at least 500 GB or 1 terabyte hard disk. Take a system image backup into that one. Anytime you can able to restore if in case your operating system or maybe disk is corrupted. So that is a system image backup. Next one is file history. Next one is file history. What is the file history? Okay, a file history save copy of your files so you can get them back if lost or damaged. File history actually copy of your data of your libraries, desktop, contacts and favorites. It means your profile data only. Normally you created a files in your desktop or maybe in a downloads or maybe in a your documents, pictures, videos, your favorite things are there. So it possible that you may lost the data. Okay, if operating system is corrupted or maybe accidental deletion. Last time one of the guy took a lot of pictures when he was in Pune. He has old pictures also, everything he keep it in desktop only, accidentally deleted the data and he cannot get it back. So this is possibility is there. Okay, what is the file history? You can see file history is copy from libraries, desktop, contacts, and favorites. Not from C drive, D drive, not from D drive, E drive, kind of stuff. It is taken from your profile data only. And why it is showing a turn off? Because we cannot turn on it. Why? Because we don't have a USB drive. So you want a file history. You want a file history to on. Either you need a network location, or maybe a pen drive, or maybe a external hard disk. It won't store in your hard disk. File history data won't store in your hard disk, but it will store in um, network location, USB hard disk, like that only. Okay, of course, set a drives. So you can set a drive, which drive you want to take the backup. So you have to mention here. Next, what is the file history advantage is, go to advanced settings, save the copy of files. Means you need to do anything, just you have to keep it like every 1 hour by default, every 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 3 hours, 6 hours, daily. Okay, like you can configure the backup. So like every 12 hours it will take the backup, every 20 minutes it take the backup, like that. Keep file version. If you are taking keep on taking the backup, what happen? Your backup location get full. Your data is at 5 GB, but in a backup location it become 50 GB. It's dangerous, right? So how many days you want to keep the data in a backup? So for example, I select a 1 month, means l- it will keep last 1 month data. Before 1 month, like now it is March 13, right? So maybe like February up to February 19th, or sorry, February 12th or 12, before February 12, what are the data is there, it will gone from your system. Okay, when date change, like February 12 and before data will be the backup will be gone. February 13 to March 13 data will be there. You can restore it from last 1 month data only, not previous data. Previous backup won't be there. Last 3 months, like last month is Feb, Jan, December. So now December uh, before 13, what are the file history is there, the history will be deleted, data won't be deleted, the history, the backup location data will be deleted. So then we can keep the latest backups only, not the previous backups. So that is a file history. Okay, you got it or not? Okay, so no problem. So these are three things I said, but I'm going to actual backup, manage space and all. This is already taken a backup, right? So I'm going to change settings. Okay, so here where do you want to store the backup, you have to select it. Okay, on network location or a particular drive. I'm selecting E drive only. Next, here let Windows choose. Windows automatically choose different backups like your profile data, window and system image also. Profile data and as well as system image also. Okay, but I don't want it. I want to take the backup only few files. Let me choose. So one second, we have to create a data, right? First, new folder. I'm creating a data one. Inside, I'm going to create some files. Okay, A1, sorry, A2, A3. So three files I created, but where is the attributes? Attributes not showing. So look at see type, size, and this is the empty space, right? Right click, more, select attributes here, attributes. Okay. So these files are having a archive attribute, and I put as something. This is a A1. Save it. This is A2. Save and exit. Something just like it contains some data. That's it. Save and exit. Archive attribute is there. Everything is 1K, 1K, 1K. Okay. This is C drive. Data one. I'm going to save. Okay. So save settings. Okay. Let me choose. Continue next. And what you want to take a backup. It is also giving everything like you want to take data backup of student 1 library, student 2 library, or student 3 library. Okay, what is there in library? See, additional locations, video library, saved pictures, music, documents, camera rolls, like that. Okay, see, you can see their users profile data. Here, complete C drive or no C drive, like that. I created data one, so I selected a data one only. I'm not going to take a backup of anything, only data one. Next, don't select this one. If you select this one, your data backup sizes increases because it take entire backup of C drive. EFI partitions means that extra partitions and recovery partitions also there now. C drive and other partitions that is also will backup. So this is become an image backup. This is an image backup. Okay, but I want to take only one folder, that is data one. Next, so this is data one. You want to schedule it or you want to backup it, so it is not showing any option. Save settings and exist. Okay, now backup. Now backup is in progress. Okay, total backup will take in a 1 second or 2 seconds only. The preparation free will take time. You can view the data also, view details. Completed, finished, close. Now the backup is completed, so we have to see where I put a backup part is in E drive, and it is not showing that one any special folder here. It is showing this one only. So open this one, restore my files from this backup, restore files from all user this backup, manage spaced by desktop. So I will go to the first option. Okay, it is showing nothing. Browse files, C drive, data one. So these three files are backup. So this is the backup style here. So I'm going to close this one. I want to test the backup. Okay, so go to browser, C drive, data one. I am deleting these three files. Shift delete, deleted, permanently deleted. Now I'm going to E drive, Open this one. So selecting first option only. Now browse folder file like this, data 1. Select all the files because 3 files are deleted, right? Add files. Now 3 files are added. Now next, where do you want to restore? In generally, you have to restore the data in different location. Okay, you have to restore the data in different location. Why? You have to test the backup also. Maybe backup is get corrupted. Okay, so backup is get corrupted, so we have to test the files are not corrupted in the backup. So for that one, different location is better. But I am choosing original location only. Automatically it will restore into same location. You don't have to choose anything. Just restored. Finish. Go to C drive. Data 1. So I got three files. Okay. So this is the backup in a Windows 10. Okay. That's it. It may look different here because of already I had taken a backup class using this machine. So it is showing these options already. Okay. So now today I taken so like that. Okay. So you can go to change settings and again you can change the locations also. You cannot back up the data and store the backup into same location. You can't do it. Either it is a different drive or maybe a external hard disk or maybe a on network. Okay, either it is different location, different drive or different location, different network locations. You can do it. That's it. Okay, so this is about your backup.